Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open or close live speech on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Next in here, tap on double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to use double tap. And then we scroll down to the accessibility section and tap on live speech. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you double tap at the back, this will allow you to open up live speech, or you can double tap to close it. And that's it. So here
Hi there, friend.
we can use the keyboard.
Hi there.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.